Hi friends, here is one more recipe that we make on Satain or Thadri festival. It is called Kanbho or Khatto Bhath. It's just the curd rice made in a Sindhi way. It's simple yet flavorful. So let's proceed to make Khatto Bhath. Now to make Kanbho or Khatto Bhath, we require cooked rice. I have taken about 1 cup of cooked rice. And I am using Amul toned milk. We need to just warm it up. I'll be using 2 cups. If you are using the dairy milk, you need to boil it well, cool it and then use it. 1 tablespoon of curd or yogurt. Crushed mustard seeds. I'm using yellow mustard seeds. You can use black ones also. And here we have dry ginger powder, which we'll put 2 or 3 pinches as you like it. You can even skip that if you don't like. Now transfer the cooked rice into a larger container. Better you take an earthen pot. The curd sets very well in earthen pots. The rice should be cooled before adding the milk. Now I've warmed up the milk. Add 2 cups of milk. For 1 cup of cooked rice, 2 cups of milk will do. Mix everything very well. The rice should be little softer than the normal. It should not be very grainy. Now stir in little ginger powder and crushed mustard seeds. It depends on how much you'll prefer. I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon of it. Mix everything together. Now we'll stir in the yogurt. Mix it well so that it mixes evenly in the milk. Now this is done. Remember, the milk should be lukewarm. Don't use very hot milk. Cover it with a foil. Now we'll set this aside. And remember, if we are making it for Satain, as we cannot consume hot food, this has to be made the previous night and checked in the morning. But on normal days, you can just make and have it fresh. It will be ready in 6 to 7 hours. So when it's ready, you open and check it after 6 to 7 hours or early in the morning if you are keeping it overnight. It's done, nice and creamy. The curd sets very well in this earthenware. Now only the consistency has to be adjusted, so we will add little water. Add the filtered water or Bisleri water. Add little and check as much as you want the consistency. I added little more. I think now it should be perfect. Now the rice was cooked with little bit of salt in it, and we did not add anything later. While setting, we should not actually add. Now at this stage, you can check it out and add little if required. The nice creamy curd rice or Kanbho is ready. Now we can dish it out. Looks yummy, isn't it? Transfer it into a smaller dish so that you can refrigerate also easily. It's better to keep it in the fridge until you serve, because if you leave it outside, it becomes more sour. The crushed mustard really makes it sour and adds taste to this. This Kanbho or Khatto Bhath, as it is called, is part of the Satain preparations. So little bit of everything is enjoyed on that day. You can sprinkle little crushed mustard on top. Here your Khatto Bhath or Kanbho is ready. Make and enjoy it along with your other goodies for Satain. See you soon with more recipes. Stay tuned until then. Thank you. Friends, you may like to watch these videos also. You might have missed them.